Well, susubukan natin gumawa ng Biscoff Chewy Cookie. This is 100% handmade and homemade. And gagamit tayo ng DIY Katayfi pastry dough. Then, icha-chop natin ito ng napakaliit-liit-liit-liit. Well, tamang tad-tad lang. Then, maglalagay tayo ng butter. And ihahalo natin ito, ikakalat natin ito sa buong baking sheet. Then, ilalagay natin ito sa oven and ibe-bake ito for 10 to 20 minutes or until na maging tostado. Then, in a bowl, maglalagay tayo ng toasted katayfi and Biscoff spread. And ihahalo natin ito until na mag-well combined. Then tamang hulma lang at ilagay sa freezer. Then tamang melt lang ng marshmallow together with the butter. Personally, gagamit ako ng double boiling method. Then ilalagay natin ang powdered milk. Isa-stir natin ito until na mag-well combined. Okay, kukuha tayo ng marshmallow mixture, ilalagay ang Biscoff Katayfi mixture sa gitna, babalutin, bibilugin, idadust natin ito with crushed Biscoff. Alrighty, this is Biscoff Chewy Cookie. This is 100% handmade and homemade. And hey, sobrang sarap nito. Lasadong lasado ang Biscoff. I really love the texture of marshmallow. It's too thin and soft. And super crunchy nito kahit homemade lang yung katayfi. Super enjoyable talaga ako dito.